Hey, what is up guys, Sam here, and this is my review of the Elago P2 stand. The packaging of the stand is on point with some branding on the box. Inside, we don't have much other than the P2 stand. So this stand is made out of solid aluminum and has the name of the stand as well as some branding engraved on the back. Below that, we have two cutouts. The first, more rounded one, I think is for any audio cables you might want to connect to your device, and the bottom one for the charging cables. On the front, we have a rubber pad on which your device rests. This pad also prevents your device from scratching its back while resting on the aluminum stand. On the feet of the P2, we again have two more rubber pads which also prevent your device from getting scratched. Below the base of the P2, we have two rubber strips which help the stand grip the surface on which it has been placed. The design of the P2 looks really similar to that of the iMac. The stand is very light and thin, but that doesn't mean it isn't stable. The P2 stand is made for holding the iPad and most other tablets, but I would recommend everyone to go for this stand over the M2, which is Elago's mobile stand, as these days smartphones are getting bigger and bigger too. Here is my iPad 2 resting on the P2, with the charger connected and managed by the cutouts at the back of the stand. I can surely say that this stand is one of the best stands one can buy for their device. In the aesthetics department, this stand gets a 10 out of 10. You can also change the orientation of your device to landscape if you wish to do so. The iPad, when in landscape orientation on the P2, just looks like a smaller 9.7-inch iMac, and I must say again, it looks gorgeous. The only problem I could find with the stand is that when you put your device in landscape orientation and type at the extreme ends of the screen by pressing really hard, the device wobbles a bit. But that is when you start nitpicking. As I said earlier, this device not only supports tablets, but also smartphones, which really makes this the only stand one should get. My iPhone 6 had no problems resting on the P2 stand in either orientation. Here I demonstrate how to put your smartphone's charging cord through the back of the stand so that you don't have a mess on your table. The stand is curved at such an angle where it is ideal to FaceTime using the front-facing camera. The curved section of the stand which supports the device is thick enough to house your devices even with not so thick cases on. The P2 stand retails for $29.99 US, and the link to purchase it will be in the description down below, as well as Elago's links, so make sure you check them out. So guys, this is the P2 by Elago. Anyone who needs an aesthetically good looking stand which doesn't compromise on function should buy this, especially people with a range of Apple products like me, because this stand is made out of aluminum and screams simple sophistication. If you found the video to be helpful or enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like, and for more videos like these, make sure to subscribe. Anyways, I'm Sam from Sam's Tech Bite, signing out.